how e dey be. So today I wan test run Photoshop beta. I don dey see how everybody don dey talk about Photoshop AI, Photoshop AI, but before we continue, one thing una need to understand na say AI, this AI tool, no be say you go just start to use am dey abuse am. First of all, e suppose make our work easier for us if you know how to manipulate, because e dey basically use pictures from Adobe stock. They put them together for you to get the work faster. No be like say you go just dey abuse am, because some people now then go come decide say they no wan learn anything again. So I want quickly I get like 3 sample images wey I wan use test run am. So make I start with one. This one na studio now shoot am, and I just want see how this AI tool go work, because it gets one tool like that, remove tool. This remove tool, e dey Photoshop 23, the updated Photoshop 23. This remove tool now, you go just paint over something. I want remove something wey dey this image now. As you just paint on the thing, you go remove the thing. Like sharp manipulation for you. You go just do am, you go dey precise. Now the first time I dey test, okay, I don test run am before basically, but na the first time I dey screen record am, because when I test run am I bin no fit screen record. So you see say e remove the log wey dey this back, though e no really dey precise, but if you just continue to dey draw am, the thing go dey precise. So wetin I wan basically do now na the generative fill. You know say this generative fill na we don dey, like, e don dey reign, everybody don dey talk about am. So man, see how good this thing dey. I wan add lion for this set. Make I just do one selection, then now you go just type wetin you wan put. Make sure say you dey connected to internet before you do am. I just type lion, make I see how e go generate. E go take time because the thing dey collate data from internet. So you go just, I go speed all this side when I dey edit am. So now the way to see the magic way this AI won't perform. Okay. Omo, you need to see this lion. This lion mad. But the truth na say you always adjust your wetin they call am sef. You fit adjust your curves, balance the light for the lion, may blend with the main image. But if you see how this this thing mad, e give am shadow. Like, you no need stress yourself do any other thing. Wetin you go just do na balance the color. If the color dey like this one, and the color dey too saturated, so if you want color grade now, you go just balance the color under the lion. Next, I'll go back to this spot, saturate and small. It don't look like say the lion dey, but you see all these edges now. That one na brush. You could just use brush, go select this layer mask, use brush, blender. So when I see how this one dey, make I try, must add something. I might try add flamingo. No, peacock. I hope I get this peacock spelling. Peacock know how to see you. Sharp. So you see how the peacock dey for the picture. I no stress myself go do anything, but e just dey. So basically na so e be. Ma see other options for the peacock. Option 2, we'll see option 3 now. Option 3, I fit generate again. The thing go give you 3 more options, so you fit still play around. But guy, this thing is sweet. It's sweet. Maybe they manipulate. I understand. I know wetin I dey talk about, because something like this now, I go need get the peacock, trace the peacock from the background, put the shadow. Even the lion, I will need put the shadow manually. But now it dey save me a lot of time if I want to do certain manipulations. Though I go still dey use the traditional pattern to do my manipulations, but then this one too, it don't still save me time. Dey see more peacock don come out. This image now, this camel, the sky, and this lady, I been a girl, lady, anyone, na AI now use generate all of them. See am, AI now use generate all of them. This here. So now back to the image, make I do running horses. I could generate, see how it go be for this one. Guy, this thing it don't really make life easy for me. But this particular version of Photoshop, you need to buy them. If you want use am free, come my house. Abeg, una don't forget to subscribe. Now wetin make I sample this thing for here. Start see this here, I go just hit subscribe button. Sharp, turn on post sharp. But na one horse then give us. Me I be want multiple. You see, so even the horse self wey they even bring still dey out of focus, so you go fit always adjust am, because at that point where the horse dey suppose dey out of focus. If you even look self, you see say even the ground adjustment dey, like sand come out. No worry, this thing really try. Might try another image. So this particular one now, more try something. I want to make I put oxygen mask for her face, see how you will be. Oxygen mask. If this one work, if this one work, guy. You don't finish. You don't finish. This will don't turn me to lazy person.